Zeekr 9X is here. And welcome back to Nitro Garage, your home for everything bold, powerful, and breathtakingly beautiful on four wheels. Today we are diving deep into one of the most jaw-dropping luxury SUVs to ever grace the automotive world. And trust me, this one is going to leave you absolutely speechless from the very first second you lay eyes on it. The 2026 Zeekr 9X is a flagship full-size luxury plug-in hybrid SUV that carries a Rolls-Royce-like stature combined with cutting-edge technology that puts even the most established European rivals on notice. This is not just a car. This is a statement, a throne on wheels, a machine that redefines what it means to travel in absolute dominance and uncompromised luxury. The 9X commands the road with massive dimensions stretching 5,239 millimeters in length and riding on a 3,169 millimeter wheelbase, finished with 22-inch mirror-polished wheels that give it a presence so bold, heads will turn from every direction. Up front, the SUV stands out with a dramatic chrome waterfall grille inspired by the foundations of ancient palaces, paired with elegant matrix headlights that cut through the night like a laser. Every angle, every surface, every line on this machine has been crafted with surgical precision to deliver maximum visual impact. Now let us talk about what is underneath that stunning body, because this is where the Zeekr 9X truly separates itself from everything else in its class. Built on the SEAS platform with a revolutionary 900-volt high-voltage architecture, the 9X debuts the SEA Super Hybrid system, delivering up to 1,000 kilowatts of combined power. That is simply unreal for a luxury family SUV. The total system output reaches 1,030 kilowatts, which translates to a mind-bending 1,381 horsepower, launching this full-size luxury hauler from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds with a top speed of 240 kilometers per hour. Let that sink in for a moment. A 6-seat family SUV that embarrasses supercars off the line. Ultra-fast charging from 20 to 80% takes just 8.5 minutes, Zeekr Group, making range anxiety a thing of the past. The pure electric range reaches approximately 300 kilometers, motor watt, on a full charge, meaning daily commutes and city errands are handled entirely on electric power, without touching a drop of fuel. Step inside and prepare yourself, because the interior of the Zeekr 9X is nothing short of a 5-star private lounge. The spacious 3-row 6-seat cabin features cloud lounge seats, a 17-inch OLED center screen, an electric split tailgate, and a premium 3,800-watt Naim audio system, Zeekr Group, that turns every journey into a concert hall experience. The second-row executive seats offer rotation, zero-gravity recline, and professional massage modes, ICA Auto, that make long journeys feel like a business-class flight at 40,000 feet. Premium leather, real wood trim, and crystal elements wrap every surface in pure opulence. The technology story goes even deeper. The 9X is the first vehicle equipped with Zeekr's G-Pilot H9 advanced driver assistance system, featuring a 43-sensor suite, including a roof-mounted 520-line long-range LiDAR, 4 wide-angle solid-state LiDARs, 3 mm wave radars, and 13 cameras, powered by dual Nvidia Thor U processors, delivering 1,400 TOPS of computing performance, Wikipedia. This is autonomous driving technology at its absolute finest. Safety is equally impressive, with the Hauhan safety armor structure passing the world's first 4-way crash test at 105 kilometers per hour, Zeekr Group, giving every passenger total confidence no matter what the road throws at them. The 2026 Zeekr 9X attracted over 42,000 orders in just the first 60 minutes, Car Expert, after going on sale. And honestly, that surprises nobody here at Nitro Garage. This machine is the future of luxury performance SUVs, and it has arrived with absolutely everything.